Elementary English Test and Challenge. Test 3 Part 5. Questions 46 to 55. Let's begin. 46. Blank, blank, languages does she speak? A. How much? B. How many? C. Why? D. Where? (47) Blank sells things. A. A postman. B. A nurse. C. A doctor. D. A shopkeeper. (48) A barman, blank. A. Sells things. B. Serves drinks. C. Delivers letters. D. Drinks a lot. (49) Blank, blank, looks after money. A. A nurse. B. A postman. C. An accountant. D. A dentist. (50) Blank designs buildings. A. A pilot. B. An architect. C. An interpreter. D. An engineer. (51) He lives, blank, an island, blank, the west of Scotland. A. On, in. B. In, C. On. D. In, at. (52) She's married, blank, an American man. A. With. B. For. C. To. D. On. (53) He, blank, listening, blank, music. A. Like, to. B. Likes, to. C. Likes, of. D. Likes, with. (54) How, blank, he, blank, to work. By car. A. Do, go. B. Does, goes. C. Does, go. D. Does, play. 55. Anna likes Joanna, but Maria doesn't like blank. A. Her. B. Them. C. Your. D. Their. See you in Elementary English Test and Challenge, Test 3 Part 6.